Did you know that your brain is sometimes more active when you're asleep than when you're awake? The night brings a hush over the world, but inside your head, there's a symphony playing. As you drift into slumber, your brain embarks on an extraordinary journey of activity, sometimes even more vibrant than during your waking hours. Let's delve into the nocturnal ballet of the brain and uncover what truly happens when we close our eyes for the night. In the quietude of sleep, the brain dances through distinct stages, each with its own rhythm of electrical activity. The spotlight alternates between REM, where dreams vividly unfold and brain activity mirrors that of being awake, and non-REM sleep, which features a spectrum of slower, more deliberate brainwaves. It's a choreographed transition from light to deep sleep, where the brain's performance is as intricate as it is during the day. As the body lies in repose, the brain is anything but idle. It's during the deep, slow-wave stages of sleep that memories are chiseled into permanence. The day's ephemeral experiences are meticulously transferred to long-term storage, fortifying neural pathways and weaving new knowledge into the tapestry of the mind. Moreover, the nocturnal hours may nurture learning, with skills honed and information cemented, and creativity, with the brain's problem-solving prowess potentially peaking. 2. Sleep is the brain's time for housekeeping. It diligently clears out the detritus of the day, including beta amyloid, the notorious protein associated with Alzheimer's disease. This cleansing is courtesy of the glymphatic system, which operates with heightened efficiency in the stillness of sleep. Beyond cleaning, the brain's networks, free from the day's distractions, engage in essential renovations, fortifying connections across diverse regions to enhance overall integration. The notion of sleep as a time of complete rest is a myth. The brain remains a hub of activity, ensuring restoration and conserving energy. While some areas take a breather, others are hard at work, and orchestrating functions is crucial for brain health and functionality. This active rest is the paradox of sleep, where the brain recharges, preparing us for the cognitive demands of a new day. In the theater of the mind, sleep is not an intermission, but an act of its own, full of essential performances that shape our cognitive abilities, memory, and well-being. As we tuck ourselves in tonight, we can appreciate the brain's tireless work behind the curtain of consciousness, ensuring that we wake up refreshed and ready to embrace the day's challenges.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10, beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.